Got a Redbubble news update on the mass suspension and everything that's going on with Redbubble. So let's go take a look at what they tweeted about 11 hours ago. So here we are on the trusty old Twitter, and when we come down on Redbubble's page, their pinned tweet, this is the tweet I was talking about, basically mentions that recently we identified an error that inadvertently suspended several user accounts. Oops. More than several, a couple thousand, and we apologize for the frustration this has caused. Currently investigating the issue and working towards a swift solution. Thank you for your patience while we look into this matter. So, I would not say that they have fixed this yet, but at least we know now that it was not intentional, it was an error. Redbubble did not mean to ban all these accounts because they're doing something wrong. They banned all these accounts because something's wrong with their system, some kind of error, some kind of glitch, not intentional as they mentioned in this tweet here. So if your guys' accounts did get banned, did get put down, be safe still, or if they didn't get put down, be safe. But if they did, you have hope now, and there's a good chance you will get your Redbubble account back, so just hang in there and let Redbubble sort this out. But I imagine it's going to take a little bit of time considering all the accounts that were affected. However, if you have not gotten suspended, then I would not upload yet, because even here, someone asked the question if it's safe to upload or not, and the response was, thanks for reaching out, you can message us directly, right? So I don't think you really should chance it just yet. I would wait a few more days, and at least they've tweeted now, and I'm sure they will tweet once again once the issue is solved. But I would not risk your accounts by uploading. A lot of people have been reporting that they can upload, but that's up to you if you want to risk your account, because as we know now, it is a glitch. So there's not really anything that you can do to see if you're gonna get banned or not, except for actually upload and test if you get suspended. So that's why I would say don't upload, just give it a week, give it a few more days, let them tweet, and worst comes to worst, I will personally test out on one of my shops if I can upload. But honestly, I wouldn't even say that's a good case to study from, because many people have been saying they can upload and other people try to upload and they just get suspended. So it's really not a it's gonna work or it's not gonna work battle. It's like different for every single person. So I would still be careful about uploading to Redbubble. But I wanted to provide this video for you guys. Thank you all the people who commented on my other videos saying that Redbubble tweeted. And I actually went ahead and I checked and I seen that they did tweet this. So thank you guys for commenting on my videos, letting me know. That was really helpful. And yeah, I just wanted to bring this update video to you guys. If we look at some of the replies, it's mostly just people saying, basically, thank goodness that this statement came. And I'm also really glad that they tweeted this. But if they had to tweet it, obviously it was a big issue. So they do say several users, but really it was a couple thousand users. So I'm hoping this gets fixed soon, but it might take a little bit considering all the damage that's been done to a lot of accounts. And some accounts were even not just suspended, but disabled, meaning they might not be able to get back. So I'm not 100% sure about those accounts, but I feel like Redbubble will find a way to fix what is wrong. At least I really hope they do. But if you guys have any trouble with your accounts right now, just stay strong. Be patient with Redbubble, because they have a lot of things that they messed up that they need to fix, and they basically said it was an error here. So they're trying to fix it, which is really good. At least they tweeted about it. So yeah, I just want to do this short update video for you guys. Obviously, as you can see over here, Redbubble has addressed the issue in the end. So that is really good. That is some progress we're making, and I'm really looking forward to basically getting back in the swing of things on Redbubble, because I was progressing my account to make some more sales, and I am still focusing on other platforms. But even though this was an error, this is still a huge lesson to everyone that Redbubble right here can't control everything for you. You need to have other platforms that you're uploading on. You need to have other sources. And especially if you're going to be in print on demand long term, you want to look at other options as well as Redbubble. Redbubble is still a good option, but you want to consider other platforms in case something like this does happen and you can't get your account back. So I just wanted to mention that now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been your friend Jack. Keep striving. Have a great freaking day. Chase your dreams. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.